Waisso accompanies the Randstad's Friends group in its ACA strategy by directing the entirety of the brand accounts. Being the world number 2 in human resources services, Randstad benefits from a powerful notoriety that it suits to optimize, so that it may attract more internet users searching for a job. In order to accomplish this visibility objective, the Randstad Friends group chose to integrate ACA in its brand ecosystem by putting clients' knowledge at its center. Said knowledge is collected by Google Analytics 360, enriched by the CRM, and optimized via SEO. Meanwhile, bridges between the group brands have been deployed in order to create customers' journey on cross-devices and cross-channels. The result? The Randstad Friends group has gone from a manual keyword planning approach, based on the CPC adjustments and keyword purchase, to an audience planning one, through automatic gestion structured around clients' data, Google shared data, and machine learning optimization algorithm. The audience management via Google Analytics 360 and the different groups brands CRMs allowed us to articulate 5 engagements level. The intention is suspect, revealed by the semantic silos that we've built by basing ourselves through the different queries projection tools and SEO. The engaged prospect, identified by Google Analytics 360, augmented through socio-demographical and browsing habits variables. They're available in the bidding and campaigns management tools. The active or old client via AdWords and the brand CRM databases. The twin profiles from the best clients generated by Analytics and AdWords, and the long-tail suspects, internet users identified by Google AI depending on their search queries. With this data-centric structuration, we're adding an automated bidding approach, also based on the data enhancement. Today, most non-brand campaigns are supplied in real time thanks to a machine learning approach centered around target CPA. This way, once the maximum price for each conversion has been defined by Randstad, the different Google algorithms are optimizing the auction automatically, depending on the campaign history and the market. Along with the campaign gestion time save, this approach allows to drastically enhance the campaign's ROI, especially when it's coupled with a campaign grouping gestion, which allows specific rules and objectives by universes. Finally, third action, the SEO and SEA strategy management. For the management, the Randstad Friends group wished to organize steering committees between its different agencies. The action conducted with SEO are therefore taken into account by Waisso's SEA agency and vice versa. Nowadays, the AdWords campaign simultaneously allows to identify the interest of users for certain types of pages and also to compensate for mediocre organic indexation. Conversely, the SEO content strategy feeds the SEA campaigns thanks to a bigger landing page list. The objective is an increase in AdWords quality score, allowing to pay less for each query. Meanwhile, to optimize the invested budgets, multiple solutions have been implemented. The separation between B2B and B2C by campaigns. The exclusion of audiences from Randstad's other brands like Expectra or Appel Medical on the account. The automatic exclusion of underperforming keywords and research terms via script activation. The installation of a multi-levels attribution model to evaluate the real value of the SEA channel in the conversion tunnel, based on the data collected with Google Analytics 360. Thanks to our data-centric approach, we saw a very strong increase in the account maturity with a very positive outcome compared to last year, an increase in attractivity with a click rate increasing by 4 points and a CPC decreasing by 30%, more coherent customers' journey and clients' queries, as seen by a 47% increase in transformation rate for an acquisition cost divided by 2.